Want to create a cinematic video? In this video, I'm showing you the B-roll or the cutaway, so you can create anytime you want with Lumafusion a cinematic video. Let's go! Now, first thing up is what is a cutaway or a B-roll? The simple answer is very simple. Any video that is support of the main video. What is the main video? The main video could be your interviews. Then you have a B-roll, a video clip showing the audience what is being said, what is the content of that video. For example, if I do a interview about a Stanley Kubrick movie, okay, I'm going to talk about his movie. I could have a portrait of him as a B-roll, so the audience know what I'm talking about. Or what I'm talking about Lumafusion, I will show you a clip of what is the new feature of Lumafusion, for example, or a product review that I'm doing. I can do a headshot like this, right? Then I will have a B-roll showing you guys the products that I'm talking about. That is how simple it is, okay? A B-roll is a support video of your main video. That's how simple it is. Now, let's go to Lumafusion and let's see how we can do it. A cinematic B-roll in Lumafusion. Let's go. Right now, I just have one clip. Okay. Now, to make a B-roll, it's very simple. Right now, it's the main track right here. That's our main track. So right now, I have a B-roll collection right here, right? So all my B-rolls could be anything, okay? Yeah, you have a folder somewhere on your SSD drive that is dedicated to B-roll. So with my B-rolls, I'm a TimelapseNuts. So all my B-roll are what? Time-lapse, of course. Okay, so I do a cut right here. I put in like that. Boom. Right now that is the egg, right? Somehow the next clip is what? A time-lapse of clouds. Unrelated at all, okay, to whatever I have to say. But imagine the main track right here, okay, is an interview, okay, or someone making a cake. I can show you this one right here, a cake. Let me do a search on Storyblocks for a cake. That's where you use Storyblocks for B-roll footage. All these are B-roll, so it's free in 4K as well. Okay, all these are free, so I can use this to complement my storytelling. So right now I need to find a cake. Okay, I'm gonna search for it. Let's search for a library called cake. See what results are. I have cakes. Okay, so I have eggs right here. Now I want to have someone squeezing the cake. Add in a coating for a chocolate cake. So I can add that in this one right here, right? That I want to supplement my story, supplement my A-roll, which is with the sweet cream chocolate icing. That's how simple it is to use Storyblocks. It's a subscription base, but if you don't have Storyblocks, you have to have your own. So that's where people use a royalty-free stock footage to play with their video editing. But for us, we need to create our own videos. Simple cutaway to tell a story more powerfully with a B-roll. You can move this any way you want. So imagine outside this, okay, I'm gonna make an egg cake with this thing, right? And today I'm gonna make a cupcake. So I have a cupcake right here as my B-roll to share with people what I'm talking about in my video. So it's become more powerful, supplement what I have to say in my main track. And that is a cutaway. Unrelated to a headshot that I'm doing right now, but it's powerful enough to show you guys, the audience, what we're talking about. So that is a very common editing trick that editors use. You probably do a B-roll or cutaway, but you didn't realize it until I tell you now today, right? There's always more to learn. Check this video out right here where I show you J cut and L cut in Lumafusion. I'll see you next time with another video.